you just want to chant before the Lord. You just want to chant before Him because you are lost of words. Can somebody just chant before Him this morning? Let the Lord hear you this morning. Don't just be an observer. Don't observe this morning. We are here to worship. Standing before the King of Kings. You have to close your eyes so that you are out of every distraction, so that you get connected to Him. Just see the Lord standing before you this morning. Neka, Nini, Nakadia. Somebody best forward in worship. Hey, there is nothing beautiful like worship and singing. Hey, Ayuki Masuke. Yeah, Yilele. Hey, somebody best forward this morning. Best forward in worship. Best word in singing. Barado shekende niye. Subraka. Hai na 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 nielena. Hai na na no masendi ende. Aluia sukanomba. Iele kuesa niena. Arada de anada. Ezebube, see how you go on. Ezebube, I'm so glad you found me worthy. I can see, and I know it's your grace. All my days, I will sing your praise. I'm so glad I can see. Rakitose,